Hi there, this is Marissa. I have for you today a layout in my Traveler's Notebook. I'm using here the Good Life November bundle from Pixel Scrapper. I printed out all these papers and embellishments from my home printer, and then I did cut out the elements by hand using a pair of scissors. This is a photo from our summer road trip up to Oregon. We stopped in this little diner, and Magnus is clearly enjoying himself. So I just gave a quick staple there to some of these layers so I wouldn't have to spend so much time with my tape. And now I think I will... Oh no, maybe I do leave the backgrounds white on this layout. I'm going to do some paper strips on the right side, so I think that's what I'm getting ready to do now. Just looking through all the papers there on the left, trying to decide which ones to include. There's some good options this month, so it's hard to decide. I just cut out the part where I went back and stuck all those paper strips down, since you already saw me lay them all down. You didn't need to see me do that 2 times. So they're all stuck in place now, and I'm just backing that little word tag with some white paper. And I think there's not too much left here. I'll probably add in a few little embellishments. And that will be that for this layout. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.